Howdy folks, this is Tim Rankin at the Farm Tough channel. We're getting ready to move our cows for the day. I just wanted to look at the grass a little bit. It's not as good as I was hoping. I think we're still going to average about 100 cow days. We've been really dry lately, and that kind of hurt our regrowth. We've grazed this field once this year already, but since it's dry, the grass goes farther. Even though it looks like there's less, the cows don't have to eat as much. It gives them more, they get more nutrients and stuff out of it. So I'm still counting on about 100 cow days. The field's about 150 yards this way, and I set my cross fence up 75 yards out there. That gets me to 11,000 square yards, I believe, which is a little bit over 2 acres. So I'm counting 100 cow day grass, give them a little over 2 acres. That should be just about right. All right, let's move these cows. We're gonna come. We just finished grazing this field and the one on the other side of it. I think we got about 10 days out of those fields. I think that's the third time I've grazed those fields this year. So we've gotten some really good cow days out of them so far. So I'm gonna open this fence up and then run it down to make a little alleyway, and they're just gonna come right through here to this gate. Woo!